Time now for NTV's First Alert Weather Forecast.
Well, welcome back. We are watching some storms that are moving out of portions of southern Kansas. Now, some of this area is going to hold together, make its way farther to the north into northern Kansas and southern Nebraska later on this evening. We're also expecting some additional development a little farther to the north. So as these storms progress, we'll be watching that possibility for some strong to severe storms as well. Now, so far this afternoon and into this evening, we've mainly just had that isolated storm development in far southeast Nebraska. The rest of radar currently showing dry conditions across most of the rest of Nebraska and down into northern Kansas. But later this evening and into the overnight hours, that's when that precipitation is expected to spread across parts of Nebraska and northern Kansas. And we're watching that possibility, maybe a few stronger storms, not out of the question for the entire area, and possibly a few strong to severe storms, mainly for parts of northern Kansas and far southern Nebraska later this evening and into the overnight hours. Otherwise, here's a live look in Broken Bow on our Viera Wireless Camera Network. Currently a lot of sunshine in Broken Bow, but some areas have had some passing cloud cover throughout today. 74 right now in Broken Bow, east winds right at 10 miles per hour. Now we do have the concern for some flooding with that rain that's supposed to move into portions of northern Kansas and southeast Nebraska later on tonight. They are included in a flash flood watch until Sunday morning. The ground is certainly saturated there. They've had a lot of rain recently, so that could lead to some flash flooding issues later on tonight. Otherwise, we also have this flood watch for portions of northern Nebraska begins Sunday night, continues into Tuesday. Several rounds of rain expected, and there is a little bit of flooding ongoing in portions of north central Nebraska already, and this area has that saturated ground, could see some additional rainfall that could cause some flooding issues as we head towards Sunday night and into the early part of the work week. Otherwise, temperatures overnight really not looking too bad. Bedtime 67, 60 by breakfast, and temperatures warming pretty nicely once again tomorrow. Futurecast showing that possibility for some more shower and storm activity moving in tonight. By Sunday morning, we could see maybe some scattered rain showers and isolated storms still around, and that will be the case throughout the day. Not guaranteed dry at any point of the day. We're looking at that possibility for at least some scattered activity around, but really we're watching the evening time frame into the overnight hours. That's when we could see some strong to severe storms, and that possibility on Monday, especially in the evening hours as well. So here's a look at what's ahead in terms of our severe outlook for Sunday. We have an enhanced risk. The best way to look at this on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being that high risk, 1 being that marginal risk. An enhanced risk is a 3 on that. So what that means is we are expecting numerous severe storms as we head toward tomorrow evening and into the overnight time frame. And then the slight risk, some strong to severe storms also a possibility, but very dependent on how things progress tonight, what we see tomorrow morning. So we will likely see some updates to this by tomorrow morning, but we are looking at the possibility of large hail, damaging winds, possibly even a few tornadoes, not only Sunday, but for Monday as well. And here's our severe outlook for Memorial Day. We have a slight risk in yellow, marginal risk in dark green, some strong to severe storms a possibility. Once again, especially eyeing the evening hour time frame for that possible severe activity. So during the daytime hours for the Tri-Cities, we should see dry conditions, 83 for a high for the Tri-Cities. Looking at tonight for the Tri-Cities, 57 tonight, 50% chance for showers and storms comes in late this evening and continues into the overnight hours. We'll see fairly light winds tonight, breezy for tomorrow, 40% chance for showers and storms throughout the day, and a high of 76. Tomorrow night we'll drop down to around 62, showers and storms becoming likely into Sunday night. So lows for tonight expected to be a mix of 50s with a few 60s. Temperatures tomorrow looking fairly nice for this time of year, 70s with a few 80s for highs. Temperatures stay warm into the day on Monday. Wednesday looks to be our coolest day of the next week. We are eyeing another severe possibility on Tuesday, but right now we just have a slight chance for the Tri-Cities for some showers and storms, and off and on chances continue throughout the next week.
Well, I'm okay with this forecast because I feel like they've been teasing us with the warm weather and now it's actually staying. So
yeah, there's just that cool day with highs in the 60s on Wednesday, but otherwise 70s and 80s.
All right, thanks, Regina.